Okay, I've got my repaired brushless converted chuck glider out here. Last time I was out with it, I had a battle with the wind that I lost, and 20 miles per hour wind with 30 miles per hour gust. I think it can handle the 20, but the 30 miles per hour gust just did it in. I took it home in 3 pieces. I've got it repaired. Wind on the ground is 427. Let's get it in the air and see if I did good or if I did bad. Yeah, fast going downwind. So far, so good. Ooh. All right. We got something going on. All right, rolls look a little slow to me. I just got this program. I think I just got this programmed into the TX16S. I think that my battle with the wind was the first time that I had it out with the TX16S. It's really gray skies out here today. We were forecast to get an inch of snow this morning. Luckily we didn't. Barrel roll with it. Whoa, I almost hit myself. That's not good. I shouldn't get so close on this wind. Will I ever learn? Well, I guess my repairs are okay. I don't see any, real weird behavior from it. Just getting moved around a bit by the wind. Woo! Oh, keep an eye on it. It's a little breezy out today. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get a little more movement on the ailerons, I think. Pretty sweet though. I love this little chuck glider. Not bad power. Yeah, decent climb out. Ooh, wind. Yeah, pretty good roll rate at speed. Okay, my timer's up. Let's bring it in on this little dirt road here. There we go. All right, so other than getting moved around a little bit by the wind, I think it performed pretty well. I think my repairs are good. Let's put another battery pack in it and double down on that. See you in a minute. Okay, let's get it back in the air again. Whoa, that sail's fast going downwind. I'm just flying this with a little 2S 400 milliamp hour LiPo. Doesn't that have good climb for such a... It's got a 1104 motor on it, spinning a 3020 prop. Not bad at all. Woo, woo, getting jiggy with it. Maybe a little more expo too, I don't know. Split S. Wow, that sails. Very, very aerodynamic. Just cuts through the wind. Whoa, that was a huge loop. This one is definitely a keeper. Whoa. Too much fun. So, repairs complete and tested good. If I don't get too crazy with it, put it in the dirt. Yeah, I don't know what I was thinking, bringing it out into 20 miles per hour wind with 30 miles per hour gust. But I thought, I was so sick of being grounded by the wind. I had this short window of opportunity this morning, and it was actually supposed to be 2 to 3 miles per hour wind, not 4 to 7. But I'll take what I could get. Sweet. Alright, timer 1 elapsed. One more loop. Alright, let's bring it back in on this dirt road again into the wind. There it is. Alright, man, I love this little converted check glider. Okay, so I'm glad that my repairs didn't create any adverse effects on this little airframe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the air.